गोयच्या एएनसीची ड्रग्जा आड मोठी कारवाय 1 कोटी मायज मोलाच्या ड्रग्सा सयत रशियन नागरिकाक चोपडे धरलो. ताचे कडच्यान 2 किल ड्रग्स जप्त. ड्रग्साचे उत्पादना खातीर ताणें खासा लॅबूय उबे केल्ले. ताका 7 दिसाची पुलीस कस्टडी पडल्या. SP अक्षत कौशलान रेडी विशीं म्हायती दिली.
We've achieved a major success where we have arrested one Russian national who has been identified as Yuri Korytin. From his possession, we have found around 2 kgs of narcotic substance, which is valued at around 1 crore rupees in the international market. In the initial interrogation which we have conducted, it has been revealed that this person first came to Goa in 2016 and he started working as DJ at some of the prominent clubs in the Morje Marambol area. Later on he left the DJing business and returned to Russia in 2019. Then he travelled to Thailand where he started growing this hydroponic weed by setting up his own lab. Since it was legal in Thailand, this is what he has told in the interrogation. However, because of the lower profitability in Thailand, he shifted his base and came to Goa in 2020. He had rented out a place in Palliam in Perne, where he had basically set up a nursery kind of a facility where he was growing these narcotic substances.